Let me ask you something. You know that feeling? That where did my money go panic? That creeping dread when you check your bank balance and it's less than inspiring? Yeah, me too. Or, at least, it used to be. Because honestly, how many times have you set a budget only to watch it crumble like a stale cookie by the middle of the month? You're not alone. We've all been there. We've all wrestled with the elusive beast that is personal finance. See, most budgeting advice is, well, it's kinda garbage. It's either overly restrictive, making you feel like you're living on rice and beans, or it's so vague it's practically useless. Spend less, save more, they say. Yeah, thanks, Captain Obvious. But how? How do you actually do that in the real world, with real bills, real wants, and real, unavoidable expenses? That's where YNAB, or You Need a Budget, comes in. Now, I know. Another budgeting app? Seriously? But trust me on this one. YNAB isn't just another app. It's a philosophy, a mindset, a system that fundamentally changes how you think about your money. Here's the thing, YNAB is built on 4 simple rules. And these rules, when applied consistently, are game changers. Rule 1, give every dollar a job. This isn't about restricting yourself. It's about being intentional. Every single dollar you have gets assigned a purpose, whether it's rent, groceries, that fancy coffee you love, or even a future vacation. You're not guessing where your money is going, you're telling it. Rule 2, embrace your true expenses. Think about those things you know are coming, but you always seem to forget to budget for: car repairs, annual subscriptions, holiday gifts. YNAB lets you break down these larger, less frequent expenses into manageable monthly amounts. This prevents those surprise bills that throw your budget into chaos. Rule 3, roll with the punches. Life happens. Unexpected expenses pop up. You overspend in one category. That's okay. YNAB encourages you to move money around, to adjust your budget as needed. It's flexible, it's realistic, and it acknowledges that life isn't always predictable. Rule 4, age your money. This is where things get really powerful. The goal is to live off money you earned last month, not this month. This gives you a buffer, a sense of security. You're no longer living paycheck to paycheck. You're building a financial foundation. YNAB isn't about deprivation. It's about clarity. It's about control. It's about knowing exactly where your money is going, so you can make informed decisions. It's about breaking free from the cycle of financial anxiety and building a life you love. Look, I get it. Budgeting isn't sexy. It can feel tedious, even overwhelming. But with YNAB, it becomes, dare I say, empowering. It's not just about saving money. It's about building a life where you feel in control, where you can achieve your financial goals, and where you can finally stop asking, where did my money go? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.